Welcome to Twinkle Tunes for Kids!
5 little ducks walked home one day, down the path and far away. One saw a pond so cool and wide, splash, 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 and then inside. 4 little ducks walked home one day, and through the flowers by the bay. One stopped to smell the blossoms sweet, buzz, 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 a gentle beat. 3 little ducks walked home one day, and over a bridge where ripples play. None looked down at the fish below, swish, 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 the waters blow. 2 little ducks walked home one day, through the leaves that swirled away. One kicked gold leaves into the air, flip, 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 they danced with care. 9 little duck walked home alone, past the hill to the cozy home. The light was warm, the door was wide. Come inside, come inside. 5 little ducks were home at last, hugs and quacks as a thing then passed. Where were they? You sit inside. Horsey doft, a hard and time.